The Indian Interim Budget 2024, presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, allocates 11.11 lakh crore, that is 3.4% of the GDP, for infrastructure, marking the fourth year of increased spending. Key initiatives include 3 railway economic corridors, Vande Bharat train upgrades, and metro rail expansion. Space and science budgets also see significant increases, around 4% hike, with a focus on Gaganyaan mission, private sector R&D, and digital innovation. EasyJet has become the first airline partner of the IRIS program, an initiative led by the European Space Agency and global communications company Viasat, that uses the latest generation of satellite technology to help modernize air traffic management, which will help in reduction of fuel burn and emissions. Bhavish Agrawal's Krutrim, an AI venture, has secured $50 million in funding, reaching a $1 billion valuation. This investment round, spearheaded by Matrix Partners, positions Krutrim as India's quickest to achieve unicorn status and its first in the AI sector. Krutrim AI can produce content in approximately 10 languages like Marathi, Hindi, Kannada and Odia, while understanding 20 Indian languages. Robomart, the American robotics self-driving smart shop for retailers, established a strategic memorandum of understanding with Pix Moving. This collaboration opens up new avenues for the application of Pix Moving spaces in unmanned retail scenarios as Robomart smart shops. The initial deployment of autonomous mobile retail stores will take place in California, featuring unmanned ice cream parlors, cafes, and quick service restaurants. Synspective has entered into a memorandum of understanding with Uzbekistan's Center for Space Monitoring and Geoinformation Technologies and KGS, the National Space Agency of Kazakhstan. Synspective and KGS will focus on developing new applications for Earth remote sensing and radar data, especially in disaster management, effective infrastructure management to reduce the impacts of climate change. Additionally, this collaboration opens avenues for joint international commercial projects, enabling Synspective to capitalize on its satellite data and analytics solutions. OneSpatial, a global company in location master data management software and solutions, has secured a 3-year contract worth 9 million euros with a distribution system operator for electricity and gas networks in Belgium. The contract is for geospatial data processing services and will see OneSpatial's One Integrate product used for its unique data quality control and data validation capabilities, alongside OneSpatial's geospatial data production services. Kore.ai, a company developing enterprise-focused conversational AI and Gen AI products, has raised $150 million in a funding round led by FTV Capital, NVIDIA, Vistara Growth, Sweetwater PE, Next Equity, Nikola and BD, bringing the company's total raise to $223 million. The fund will be used in product development and scaling up Kore.ai's workforce. Orbital Composites, a manufacturing startup, has joined forces with Solis Technologies to embark on a space-based solar power mission. The collaboration aims to conduct a demonstration of space-based solar power by 2027, paving the way for a megawatt-class solar power installation in space by 2030. Solis will deploy its 1.65-meter solar tiles in medium Earth orbit, where they will be robotically assembled into large arrays.